diamonds live with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Baby, you're so cruel. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Diamonds by Sam Smith. Okay, it's a pretty easy song. We're gonna play it with our standard basic chords. Now, I need you to put your cap on fret number 1, and we're playing the following chords, okay? So, A minor, G, E minor, sorry, this is E, and then F. So that's A minor, G, and then E, which is the major, to F, okay? So this is what you're playing for your verse, the na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Right, that's your verse, A minor. So that's down, down, up, 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 down, down. Okay. And then as we get into the chorus, we, instead of playing the C, we're now putting the, instead of playing the G, we're putting a C, okay? So it's now A minor to C, and then E minor F, instead of A minor G, E, F, okay? So, you know no man's live with you, A minor, never gonna hear my heart, E, sorry, A minor C, and then E, F, okay? A minor, C, E, okay, so A minor, C, E, F, that's your chorus, and then your verse is A minor, G, E, F, okay? That's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any other songs or tutorials that you want to see on this channel, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And if you need to learn these chords, just head over to my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords, so you can learn them there and then come back to this video to learn the progressions. Peace.